Hi guys, Christy here over at Crafty Christy's Creations, and today I have another fun little stocking stuffer gift for you. And these, I'm just calling them bottle boxes. I've got at the same size, they fit little Purell hand sanitizers, and they also fit the little what are these, 50-ounce alcohol bottles. So I thought these would be really fun for stocking stuffers or little gifts to hand out, either, you know, age appropriate alcohol to the children and then for the adults as well. The file comes with 3 different little dudes you can put on the front. So you've got the little snowflake, there's a snowman, and then I'm going to show you how to put, this is the little gnome. So today we'll go over how to put this little gnome together, but I wanted to show you how cute these are. So they're really cute, and then to get the bottle out, I put a little Velcro on the side here so you can undo it, and then you can just pop that out of there, and then you know, they can reuse these. I also have a little piece here that you can put on the back side, so you can add a little message on there if you want. So let's go ahead and put together our little gnome one. Okay, I've got all my supplies set up here. The main box is just these 2 pieces here. And then this is the piece to put on the back for an optional message. And I went ahead and already put together my little gnome here. So you can see this guy, he's got multiple layers on here, and everything is just paper pieced together. He's pretty sturdy with all those layers on there. So what you're gonna do, you've got this piece here with the 1 score line. Let's go ahead and fold on that line. And you've got these lines up here you can fold on. I'm gonna fold down on those score lines. And then this one, which is your back wall, also has 1 score line on there as well. So you want to fold all those down. And then what you're going to do, so how this goes together is just these 2 pieces are going to overlap, and then it's just going to fold up like that. So super, super easy. So let's go ahead and put some glue. I'm going to use tape runner. It's a little bit less messy. So just know that this piece is a little bit smaller. You've got a little extra edge there, so you can decide if you want this to be on the outside or if you want it to be on the inside, you know, where it won't really show as much. So that's kind of up to you. I've been putting them on the outside of the box since most people aren't really going to see that. You will kind of see the inside, but again, that is a personal choice of how you want to do that. So I am going to put some tape runner on this edge here. And this is the Tombow Mono Permanent Adhesive. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fold this up, and I'm going to take this piece, get it all the way into that corner, line up the edges, and then just lay it down and fold that. Press that in, and you wanna make sure you're flush on the sides, and then you're flush at that corner there. Okay, and then we can go ahead and add our back piece here. You know, you've got lots of room here. You can write something, you can stamp something, do this as a print and cut, or use your sketch pens. You know, lots of different options for you to use this. And this is gonna line up on this back piece. You should have a nice even border all the way across the top there, okay? So again, I'm gonna use my tape runner on this one, just to get it good and stuck down. So I just want to line up those top piece edges. And once I think I'm good, we'll go ahead and just stick that down. Okay, so that's on the back. And then your little gnome, you're gonna put on the front here, and he can just kind of sit on there wherever you want. I'm gonna go ahead and use some foam squares on this guy, so that way he stands up nicely. And I'm just gonna be kind of generous. He's pretty sturdy with all of these layers on him, but I just want to make sure he's good and sturdy. Let's make sure he's going to stand up nicely. That looks good. We can go ahead and peel the backings off all of these. Maybe. Okay. And then I'm just gonna line him up. He needs to fit between this piece and here. And we're just gonna line him up there, try to get him centered up best you can. And we'll just press him on there. I like using the foam squares because it gives a little bit more dimension to it. You can see on this one I use the foam squares, and this one I just put it down, and there's a good difference between how they look. So I like the foam squares. All right, we've got that put together. And then the other thing we're gonna do, because you have to put your bottle of whatever in here first before you get it closed up, and you need a way to be able to get it back out without, you know, really ripping this. So you can either, on this one, I just use another foam square, and then you can just have to very carefully, but you are able to pop that off. So you just have to be very careful, but you can pop it off that way. Or on this one, I use a little bit of Velcro, and that's what I'm gonna do on this one. So the Velcro, I've got these fastener dots that I got from the Dollar Tree a while ago. And all you do is you take one, so you've got both sides here, and you just cut it in half. And I lost the one I was gonna use. So all we're gonna do is we're just gonna cut it in half, and I'm just kind of eyeballing where half is at, and I'm just gonna cut through both of these. And then we're gonna use that one. So what I wanna do, they've already got stickiness on the back side of them. So I'm just gonna take this off. It's got that sticky adhesive on there already. And I want it to kind of hide, so I'm gonna put it closer to this edge down here to help hide it. And then what I can do is take the other piece of it, and I'm going to Velcro them together. Shouldn't have peeled the back off yet. Velcro those together. I'm gonna go ahead and put my bottle in here, fold them up, and then I wanna make sure this top piece is nice and level, and then I can just press that together. And then you can see by putting it lower down, you don't notice it from the front. And that is how you can put together these cute little bottle boxes. Again, they will hold, this is a, get this undone here, and then you can peel it out. This is a 50 milliliter bottle, and then this is the Purell brand. Get this one open again. This is the Purell, this is a 2 fluid ounce little bottle of Purell. So I have tried different little bottles of hand sanitizer. With it being this size, I was able to put some extra different ones. So I thought these would just be really fun little gift boxes to help, you know, for stocking stuffers or whatnot, to dress up your little bottles. So let me know what you think.